Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect email sending domains in HubSpot. This process is essential for ensuring your marketing emails are properly authenticated and delivered from your own domain, which helps improve deliverability and builds trust with your recipients. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be working from your main HubSpot dashboard where all your tools and settings are accessible. Next, navigate to your settings menu by looking at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Click on it. This gear icon is your gateway to all the configuration options within HubSpot, so it's where we'll be spending most of our time today. Once you're in the settings menu, focus on the left side panel, scroll down until you spot a tab labeled Tools. Under the Tools tab, click on Content. This will expand a menu with several options. From this expanded menu, select Domains and URLs and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage all your domain connections, whether for hosting or email purposes. Under the Domains and URLs menu, you'll see an option to connect a domain. Click on it, and a pop-up menu will appear presenting you with two distinct options, one for hosting domain and another for email sending. Since we're focusing on email today, choose Email Sending and then click Connect on the bottom left part of the pop-up menu. This tells HubSpot exactly what type of domain connection you're setting up. Now it's time to select your domain. Enter the domain name you want to send emails from in the field provided and click Next. You'll be asked to confirm that this is indeed the domain your emails will be sent from. Review the information and click Next to proceed. Finally, you'll reach the verification step. HubSpot gives you two options here. You can set it up manually by adding DNS records yourself, or you can simply sign in with your domain provider for automatic setup. If you choose the automatic route, HubSpot will analyze your domain, identify your DNS provider, and gather the necessary setup details. Once this analysis is complete, simply enter your domain credentials when prompted, and HubSpot will handle the authentication process for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.